Mami ma akwaba emfa obra Ghana Nsem TV GH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification also so that anytime you post a video bit say you will sambe kebi. Ebusianfo. As I say as a my own. Yen share na ye redefining a civil service as a CSOs or activism. Because I met my me a politician. And look, every politician is scared of an independent civil service. Every politician is scared of activists they cannot be swayed by money. And so what most politicians like to do is they would rather have activists in their pocket. Yeah. Because activists nuna ebeba bonting openly to come and maybe disagree with a thing or two. Right? And activists no omu ena omema the opposition weight. Right? And it becomes an issue when activists are in bed with government. When you have civil service organizations that are in bed with government, then there is trouble on the mountain. And then Joe Jackson catch the Ghana for say 24-hour economy no a long-term. Look, Joe Jackson, Abra Akufo the war power no. Almost everything Joe Jackson had a view about it. Almost every single thing. The way back Joe Jackson. The way back Joe Jackson. Joe Jackson. Now, media houses also provided that avenue for the likes of Joe Jackson and co to push a agenda. And they are all part of the reason MPP was labeled as bad and that NDC won 2024 election. Joe Jackson must be bold now, the same way now you're bold under MPP. To say 24-hour economy and your long term, they are a scam. That is the truth. It is what it is. 24-hour economy, a scam. Because Joe Jackson, you can see for yourself, the people who promise 24-hour economy are telling us to say filling stations be over 200 filling stations be a year 24-hour economy. I can tell me this. As Sedun Ketia, our chairman of the NDC, told us, say, wow, by Juma, or by Peneso, we a private sector, near by Juma in Umreno. They were going to subsidize a prepaid mouth. Yes, sir. Kind of say a light bill mouth. Say in the night, the meters were going to read different rates from they will read in the morning. The question today, Honorable Sedun Ketia, when are the meters going to start reading different rates in the night and different rates during the day? And a question I say, this is what Ghanaians are asking. We are not asking for all these stories. Market and all those things. There be. Even though in opposition you didn't have anything concrete to say about the 24-hour economy, there were 18 or 2 that you pointed to. Those are the things Ghanaians are asking about. And so to come and have people like Joe Jackson come to tell us, say, a long-term blah, 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 please give us a break. That's not what he told us. This is not even what we're speaking about. And you, Joe Jackson, you know very well. So this is not what we're talking about. You don't want to pour sand into our eyes. And so long as you watch channels, be second and seven, so there, you ain't penema search agenda. We will come out and say the truth. We will come out and tell Ghanaians the truth. You create a more data Ghana for. You deceive Ghanaians, you lie to Ghanaians, and that is the truth. Shame on you.
Dentina meka sa. Oba kwapem, oba kwawu, Asante, Achim, Kotokufoɔ that was Odan area for oba asin for so no asin area na dade omom ka mesi infantfo na dade omo shede ni political love mom ho te say yen empepefo ne ewes no yeka twifo a so wonim se hwifo nyina omo ye twifo omo ka twi omo ye twifo but kasa na omo ka no ani omo secondly kasa wo but se hwifo ye twifo ba omo nyina go to Volta region senka MPP baye ena o chief votarian ni bi ena oye ni say ono nko a ka you hear say eye traba oye senti ekoba chama wuntumi so minhu bi da say yetimi chi obi ti say ne obi di koke ye example no say yetimi chi obi say ya chi wo say otondrubone wo fie ya hu wankasa chi wo yes wo if ufie wura ye ja wo mum ne akodeli ufie wura minhu bi da but trust me unto ondi 1 year wo oho prison ho 1 year ko ndi bi trust me and mark it on the wall afena mrabe ye adwuma afena be kan law I'm telling you
Sulemana ugo kan law no wo hwan anim ugo kan law no e wo hwan anim ebre ko nipa na appoint judges no
listen to me
because kasase meka was a judge bitimi ehwe anim kaso am obi 20 years
asem na be ko Supreme Court
na Supreme Court onye ne ya packing of everywhere
no problem asem be ko Supreme Court you will see you will hear what is come out what is going to come out me say 1 year kura onni wo ho mama yemu nsese kura na emmom omotwa sabia to ho ama yemu bi yesere masa yenim omo a 2025 January post December na ye to aba na ye ka say NDC ye wini no December na yenim omo amate si kwae mutu ende omo nkuta lances yenim wom ye wo videos yenim omo nso omo kuta lances nso no mate si different land one enka omo anko ye friend is saying lands and commission anko di no omo di etu assign wo yenim omo nyina ebe de wo masa ebe ye de I'm telling you and enye we ne bebu MPP fo abamu embu ya abamu da ade omo yeri mum be ye de endro wo se wote asema mai bo me kan ye ebe de wo ebe ye de too much sure let me tell you something na fiansa na emra be ye adwuma emra be ya sure self tafrache se me ye president na ma wo ba na me ba no nya adwuma da afi no wo school mu onwie school na otimi ye ade bi a eboro salary so a wo se ye kwahye no wo se ye kwahye no so o kasa o papa na mo ska be hwe kamo na o papa no kamo na onye president na ska be na no owo o ana wo ye president so ontimi for my sika mfa ma wo ba mfa no mfa nya bibi ebe do ebe de utimi tintim obi nsa je na asase Catholic voter edi ma wonua me ami krom talisi Ibrahim Muhammad edi ho ntufu se onye boni bi wo hoye Ibrahim Muhammad nda na start se o mine nto o mine ye no o mine wrong place dana betimi do musa se jem so on money wrong place da ebe de ɛbɛyɛ dɛ yɛsi ne ɔnya abotre odi nkunim MPP foɔ mo nya abotre ɔmo bɛ dwane akɔtoa ɔmo hu baabi ɔmo de dwantoa bɛkɔ yɛni ha na dala edem ɛsesa machines na adade sɛ ɔkɔ sɛ hwɔ side wɔ sɛ hifo sɛ akɔntɔm sɛ jumro sɛ hifo sɛ ɔkɔdi galamsey wokɔ sɛ ɛnna ne first attempt na ɛnyɛ ne first attempt no ɛbɛyɛ dɛ na wonnim sɛ president ka asɛm bi sɛ ɔfiri power yɛtumi frɛ no bisa no asɛm ɔka ne sɛ onim sɛ NDC fo no bi nso yɛ galamsey meboa president na ka yɛ o before so say assembly free president no na intelligence abeka kire wo ananye saa na say intelligence abeka kire wo san krofo no omo wo hifa we have to call him and ask him ebeye de eno kwa ye evidence ye chi NDC ni bia say oye galamsey yetimi jeri no because the president na aka say wo hu say NDC fo nso oye galamsey intino ya chiw de ebi no wo ana onim say ebeye de ye here evidence bia wo biem se timi de ano ko ka asem na emfa prove mba na timi jeli obi dia president de evidence say prove che bibia was asase because he is the first gentleman of the land ebeye de me fitin anapa nyina me word no ebeye de papa and this initiative no or serena ya jeli untimi na makati se ebeye de me sana me kachiro mo ebeye de keke na monhwe ne yie o wefo ansa na wahwe wonsa na munim se
okay
munim se saadie we de enye ade foforo o MPP ye ni so dentia emi dese yanjeli untumi se wakodi sika wadu o man sika ena yemi de se judgment ne baere entina yeka se etiwuye obi ani tie wu bie no NDC mu ena obi ani tie wu oni makenkan wo NDC no oye wicked ni kire se on kire omo a omo ni makenkan no mra no se mra no sitie ode akata nani ena obuli wo mo dentia judgment na by no omo kan ne sen omo ka se untimi ko the mining lands akotu galamsey ana debi omo jeli no because of say we diga na sika na debi ode na asase ama obi na onyako abedi adanse etia ne say no de asase ne ma me na me yeye na ya fa ko jeli landlord a me sit na me fee oh ebeye de papa masa wo ba me ya wo me akotia Eastern region brabehwe yen ahoho no mum na yenya sika wo Eastern region Asante region yen ahoho no ye ho nye ekrom no ye bo wo ye ho yenko ekrom da no behwe sika ye wo akanfo no ni sika de bi ebe ya akanfo asase na ye tu asai no wo afedi amanfo timitam machines ko si reference forest mu se ya ban na ba ho bia mba ha ampampa zo bia nkoko pete mo bedi ewie obere o ka se o baba na kwaya no kwaya na sabesi ho ana ye baba na ye enye den a ye be hwehwe omo amudi sa kwaya no ebe ye de o ko sese ko man area nyina MPP for na omo so omo ye dwuma do omo ho aye mmobo omo ntimi ndibi ebe ye de o
okay see